What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Super Sport Guala and you see the Super Sport outside. I'm out here in Harbor Freight right now. We shopping for some tools. I'm finna go ahead put that lab pack on there. This is what we need though. Just so we can do it. Dude tried to charge me about $900 to do my exhaust, and I already got the whole exhaust set up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it ourselves. And I'll get back with y'all in. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Super Sport Guala back in here. Finna go ahead throw them things under that thing, you know what I'm saying? They gonna wham wham. I'll get back. Hey, we back at it, y'all. Your boy Super Sport Guala got the old muffler. We finna straight pipe fire this bitch up to see how it sound. Y'all hold it. Hold it, John. Alright. Straight pipe, man.
Hold on. Not yet. Let me get the video in.
I hope I throw so many cold fries.
No, it ain't. Go on, do it.
Straight pipe, man.
Hit it for the one time. One time. Alright.
Turn down. Do it again. What's up? The boy Super Sport Guala back in here with another vid. I don't know if y'all noticed or not, I got the exhaust installed, so yeah, it went pretty good. I'm gonna give y'all a cold start video probably tomorrow, but I gotta get something to eat right now. I don't know. I would have showed y'all the whole process of all that, but it's real easy, you know what I'm saying? There's other videos of that too, but I want to do videos probably like, well, ain't nobody got yet or something, or the ones that I be looking for that I can't find, so. But I gotta find out what's up with this. It be service stability track. I don't know. Drop in the comment. But I'll let y'all know on my next video. If y'all see that joint gone, shit, it'll be gone. Well, I'm gonna find out what it is. As far as now, I got the exhaust on. I'll make y'all hear it when I drive down the street too. Right now, I'm getting something to eat. But I'm in a line. It kind of good, man. It sounds pretty great. You know what I'm saying? I ain't have an exhaust in a while. I'm talking about like, it'll be a long time ago, back in my 20s or something. The TMI about myself, this is all about the Super Sport Nation. But yeah, anyway, she got the exhaust on. Got a little fuel in her. Might get out and play this weekend. You know, I get up with y'all in the sun. Bam! I want to get out the pull-out footage and shit, but it was pretty hard to hold this phone. That's what I record with. I'm gonna get our window up. Maybe I can get caught at a red light. And I meant that in a good way. The streets are so messed up out here, y'all, and this shit is ridiculous. It is so ridiculous. Stuff in my dope powder. I drive aside. I got some air freshener over there. That was my out here rattling. And some styrofoam in the floor. Sorry, I know that piece of styrofoam can make that much noise down there like that. It's just a little small piece, like that big. It's a nice chunk though. It's well over like 6 inches. Alright, stop sign. And I got the arrow. Sound real good. light, if it hit me in time, I'ma let the window down. Well, actually let it up. So when I get to the next red light, I'ma let the window down. Let y'all hear it that way. So we pulled up to the red light. Window down. Halfway. I'm gonna do a cut. Oh shit! What the fuck is that? I'm gonna do a cold start in the morning. But I'm gonna be honest. Inside the car, it really don't sound like I do. But everybody else I say, man, you must sound good as a motherfucker. I'm like, okay, cool. I don't wanna know. But in the inside, it ain't too loud. If I get hit by another light again, I'm gonna roll the window. Whatever when I stop. You know? Make sure to kick down and stuff. Always been a downshift or yeah, I'm downshift. It's automatic. I might get jiggy. It's tunnels. I got a tunnel. I have tunnel. Tell me what y'all think. I'm gonna get some more footage too though.